Hi fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Fancy Stitches. To all my wonderful subscribers, both new and returning subscribers, you all are welcomed. In today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you guys step by step on how I achieved this beautiful dress that you're seeing over here. Okay, my client ordered for this, so I gave her this. Okay, so if this video tutorial is something that you're looking forward to, then you have to definitely watch this video to the end. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Here I went ahead to fold my fabric just the way you see me doing it here in this video, and I folded my fabric using her biggest body part, which is the hip, and her hip circumference is 48 inches divided by 4 is going to give me 12 inches. Okay, so this is my 12 inches point, then I added extra 6 inches. Okay, so my fabric here on fold is 18 inches. Okay, because this is a free layered gathered dress. Okay, coming over to my fabric here, as you can see, I've gone ahead to draw my shoulder line. Can you see my shoulder line here? So this dress is not going to have any zipper, so I'm cutting both the front and the back together. Okay, this is a freehand video tutorial. So coming over to my shoulder line, I'm going to take her shoulder measurement. Her shoulder measurement is 18 inches divided by 2 is going to give me 9 inches. Okay, so I'll be marking 9.5 inches here. Okay, then for her front and back neckline width, still leaving my tape, for her front and back neckline width, I'll be marking 4 inches. Okay, so here is my 4 inches point. Then for the length, for my back pattern, for the back pattern neckline length, I'll be making use of 1.5 inch. Okay, I'll be making use of 1.5 inch, which is here. Can you see what I'm doing? Then for the front neckline, I'll be going down by 5 inches, which is here. Okay, so I'll also go ahead and curve for my neckline. Then the next thing to do here is to take our shoulder slope. Coming over to my shoulder point, I'm going to come down by 1 inch to mark for my shoulder slope. Okay, then from my shoulder slope point, I'm going to go down by 9 inches. Okay, to mark for her armhole length, which is here. Okay, then I'm going to take her horizontal measurement. Okay, from my shoulder line, can you see my shoulder line? The first line here is my shoulder line. My shoulder line to her bust point is 11 inches. Okay, to her bust point is 11 inches. To her waistline or her half length is 17 inches. Okay, then the length of this gown is meant to be 38 inches, but because it has a two-step layered gathers, okay, so I'm going to make it 27 inches. Then the remaining 11 inches, I'm going to use it to create my layered gathers. Okay, so I'll be marking 27 inches. This is where my gathers will start from. Okay, then I went ahead to draw a straight line across the marked points. Then the next thing to do here is to mark for our armhole curve. So I'm going to divide what I have here is 9 inches. To get my midpoint is 4.5 inch. Okay, so this armhole curve is for the front pattern. Okay, it's for the front dress pattern. So I'm going to come in by 1 inch, which is here. Okay, then I'll take her bust circumference. Her bust circumference of 44 inches divided by 4 is going to give me 11 inches, which is this point here. Okay, then I'm going to connect from my shoulder slope point to this, my armhole curve. Okay, to this point. Okay, next thing to do here is to take her basic body measurement. Coming over to her bust line, her bust circumference of 44 inches divided by 4 is going to give me 11 inches, which is here. Then I'm also going to add extra 3.5 inch. Okay, I'm going to add 3.5 inches, which is here. Down to her waistline, her waist circumference of 41 inch divided by 4 is going to give me 10.2 inches. Okay, so this is my 10.2 inches. Then I will add extra 3.5 inch. Okay, 3.5 inch. Coming over to her hip circumference of 48 inches divided by 4 is going to give me 12 inches. Okay, which is this point. Then I'm also going to add my 3.5 inch. Okay, which is here. Then I'll go ahead and connect all my marked points. Then I'll go ahead and cut this out. Okay, then I will take out my back pattern as to cut for my front pattern. Okay, cutting, this is what I have for both the front and the back pattern. You can see the front. Okay, this is the front and this is the back, my back pattern. Okay, after that I went ahead to fold my fabric as to mark and cut out a long piece of fabric that I will be using for my pleat. Okay, just the way you see me doing it here in this video. And the width of my fabric here is about 7 inches. So don't forget to hit on the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share with your friends. So guys, this is for my 2 layered gathers. Okay, for both the front and the back. So I'll go ahead and make my gathers. Okay, so guys, after making my pleats, this is what I have for the 2 step. Okay, this is the first step and this is the second step. Okay, I'll be fixing this part to this part. Okay, you can see that the second layer of my pleat is longer than the first one. Okay, so I'll be fixing it. Okay, just like this, I'll fix it. Okay, and here I've gone ahead to fix my pleats for the front pattern. Okay, can you see what I have here? And I've also gone ahead to fix my lining. So this is the back view of my front dress pattern. Okay, so guys, to cut for my sleeve, okay, my fabric here on fold is 13.5 inch. Can you see that? Then I've gone ahead to draw my shoulder line for my sleeve. Okay, so the next thing to do here is to take my sleeve length. Her desired sleeve length is 23 inches, but I will be making it 25 inch because I will be adding elastic band to it. Okay, so I'll be making it 25 inches for her sleeve length. Her round sleeve circumference is 16 inches divided by 2 is going to give me 8 inches plus 1 inch hemming allowance, making it 9 inches. Then I went ahead to mark my 9-inch point. Then from my 9-inch point, I'm going to come down by 6 inches. Okay, mark my point here. I'm also going to take 6 inches here. Okay, then from my 6 inches point, I'm going to come down by 3 inches, which is this point here. Okay, then I'm going to curve. So I'm going to take her round sleeve circumference here. Okay, Round sleeve circumference is 16 inches divided by 2 is going to give me 8 inches. Then because it's going to have elastic band, okay, 8 inches, then I'm also going to add 4 inches, okay, because of my elastic, which is here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and connect it. Then I'll go ahead and cut out for my sleeve. So guys, for my dress, I've gone ahead to fix my shoulder. Okay, can you see the shoulder part? I've gone ahead to fix the shoulder. Can you see my layered gathers here? Okay, this is the front and the back pattern. Can you see that? I've gone ahead to fix it. Then the next thing to do here is to shape. I'm going to shape or hem my fabric side seam with 1 inch. Okay, after that I'll also go ahead and fix my sleeve, which I'll be doing off camera. So guys, as you can see here, I'm done with fixing my sleeve. Then the next thing to do here is to attach our waistline elastic band. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to take her half length measurement. From shoulder to her half length is 17 inches, but I will be marking 16 inches here. Okay, I also went ahead to mark my 16 inches half length at my dress back pattern. So guys, I went ahead to cut out this long piece of fabric and I will be attaching it around my marked line. Okay, just the way you see me doing it here in this video. So guys, after stitching up, this is what I have for my dress. Then the next thing to do here is to insert my elastic, which you see me doing here in this video. Finally guys, this is how neat and beautiful my dress turned out to be. So do well to hit on the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on my next free video tutorial.